Dear students and viewers, I welcome you with another exam style question on the subject of business mathematics. This question will test your knowledge and makes you learn the concept of standard deviation. To watch other exam style videos, please explore my channel's playlist. Please also subscribe to my channel to stay informed about the latest videos. Today's question is: an analyst is considering two categories of companies, X and Y, for possible investment. One of her assistants has compiled the following information on the price earnings ratios of the shares of companies in the two categories over the past year. Price earning ratios are given on the extreme left column that starts from 4.95 to under 8.95, then 8.95 to under 12.95, and so on till we go to the last row, that is 24.95 to under 28.95. So against each price earning ratio slab, number of category X companies. For example, for first slab, there are 3 companies in category X and 4 in category Y. For second slab, there are 5 in category X and 8 in category Y. Similarly, for the third slab, there are 7 in category X and 8 in category Y, and so on and so forth. Now, based on this information, what is the standard deviation to two decimal places in the PE ratio of both categories of companies? Option A, category X 5.27 and category Y 6.29. Option B, category X 5.12 and category Y 5.59. Option C, category X 7.23 and category Y 5.67. Option D, category X 6.62 and category Y 6.11. First, we calculate the standard deviation of category X companies. In order to do this, we must adopt the following step-by-step approach. First step is calculate the midpoint of the PE ratios. Second, find the values of fx for each class. That's f multiplied by x, or the product of fx. 3. Find the values of fx square for each class. And the fourth step is calculate the totals of column f, column fx, and column fx square. The following table will illustrate these steps. The midpoint x, or average, for each class is calculated by adding the upper and lower limit of each class and by dividing it with 2. For example, for the first class, the midpoint of 6.95 is calculated by adding 4.95 and 8.95 and dividing it by 2. The same rule will apply to calculate the midpoint of other classes. Frequency, or F, is already provided in the question for category X companies, and we have simply inserted these frequencies in the table. Fx column is the product of multiplying each value of X with the corresponding value of F for that class. For example, the value of 20.85 is calculated by multiplying 6.95 with 3. Fx square column's values are calculated by multiplying each value of fx with the corresponding value of x in that class. For example, the first value of 144.91 is calculated by multiplying 6.95 with 20.85. Finally, we must calculate the total of columns f, fx, and fx square. This will give us the three corresponding values as 25, 389 decimal 75, and 6769 decimal 96. Now we apply the formula to calculate the standard deviation of the PE ratio of category X companies. The standard deviation formula is shown. This is under root sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus sigma fx divided by sigma f whole square. Once we put the values in this equation, so we get the answer as 5.27. So the standard deviation of the price earning ratios for category X is 5.27. Now we calculate the standard deviation of category Y companies by following the same steps that we did for category X companies. So the calculation is again displayed on the screen, and you can figure out that how the midpoint has been calculated, how the value of x square has been calculated, sigma fx square, etc. So again, we are going to apply the standard deviation formula, that is sigma fx square over sigma f minus sigma fx over sigma f whole square, whole under root. And in this case, we get the value of 6.29 for standard deviation for category Y company. Based on these calculations, the correct answer is option A. That is, category X company's value is 5.27 and category Y company's value is 6.29. Finally, you need to understand that category Y companies has a wider spread measured as standard deviation in the price earning ratio when compared with category X companies. Therefore, a risk averse investor may prefer category X companies. If you have enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for notifications and also share and like this video. Thank you for watching.